Imagine knowing which startup is going to explode into a billion-dollar company before it even hits the headlines. No hype, no speculation, just a secret AI that analyzes patterns, investments, and emerging trends to forecast the next tech giant. Some call it the Startup Oracle AI, others the billion-dollar predictor. Whatever the name, it's already changing how ultra-rich investors, venture capitalists, and insiders decide where to put their money. Today, we're uncovering how this AI works, why it's so accurate, and how it's giving a select few the ability to spot billion-dollar opportunities while everyone else is left guessing. Finding the next big startup is usually a mix of research, intuition, and luck. For every unicorn, there are thousands of failures. But what if an AI could cut through the noise? This AI reportedly evaluates millions of data points, early investment rounds and funding trends, startup team composition and past performance, market demand, emerging technologies and consumer behavior, regulatory changes and global economic trends. By combining all this information, it predicts which startups have the highest potential to reach billion-dollar valuations. For investors, this isn't just a tool, it's a competitive edge that could transform wealth creation. By the end of this video, you'll understand why this AI is considered a game changer for venture capital and entrepreneurship alike. 1. Origins of the startup predicting AI. The AI was created by a team of data scientists, financial analysts, and tech specialists focused on early-stage investments. Its purpose to predict success before startups gain mainstream attention. Unlike standard analytics tools, this AI combines historical data, analysis, examines past unicorns to identify success patterns, real-time market monitoring, tracks investment activity, emerging technologies, and consumer adoption rates. Behavioral analysis evaluates startup teams' decision-making, expertise, and adaptability. Predictive financial modeling calculates potential revenue growth, market capture, and scalability. The result? An AI that can estimate not just potential, but the likelihood a startup will achieve billion-dollar status. 2. How the AI predicts billion-dollar startups. Here's how it works. Investment flow tracking monitors early-stage funding rounds to identify where venture capital is quietly flowing. Team and leadership evaluation assesses founders' track records, leadership skills, and industry expertise. Market gap analysis finds industries with high growth potential but limited competition. Tech disruption prediction detects innovations likely to disrupt markets and gain rapid adoption. Global trend correlation maps how macroeconomic shifts, consumer behavior, and regulatory changes impact startup potential. This combination allows the AI to generate a ranked list of startups with the highest probability of becoming billion-dollar companies, often months or years before the public takes notice. 3. Who uses this AI? Access is extremely limited. Early adopters reportedly include billionaire investors to gain first-mover advantage in high-growth startups, venture capital firms to identify promising investments before competitors, private family offices to diversify wealth and capitalize on early-stage tech trends, entrepreneurs and startup advisors to validate ideas or pivot strategies toward high-potential niches. For these users, the AI isn't just predictive, it's a strategic weapon in wealth creation. 4. Real-world impact. Although secretive, early reports indicate the AI has already influenced major investments. Investors reportedly used AI predictions to secure equity in startups before they became industry leaders, achieving massive returns. Venture firms leveraged the AI to exit investments strategically, avoiding overhyped or failing startups. Entrepreneurs used AI insights to pivot their startups into more profitable or scalable directions, increasing valuations rapidly. Some early adopters reportedly gained a decade-long advantage in tech investment cycles, spotting opportunities before the market caught up. Those who use it effectively gain a level of foresight that can transform financial outcomes dramatically. 5. Technical insights. The AI's predictive power comes from several advanced technologies. Machine learning continuously refines predictions based on new data and outcomes. Neural networks model complex relationships between startups, markets, and investment trends. Scenario simulation tests thousands of market scenarios to determine the likelihood of success. Sentiment and social analysis monitors online trends, consumer interest, and media coverage to gauge adoption potential. This sophisticated approach allows investors to identify hidden gems before hype or media attention even begins. 6. Ethical and market considerations. While revolutionary, this AI also raises major questions. Wealth inequality. Only the ultra-rich or connected insiders can access these insights, widening the gap between elite investors and average individuals. Market influence. Large-scale AI-driven investment could impact valuations and market behavior. Startup pressure. Knowing an AI is analyzing potential success may create stress for founders and employees. Access and fairness. Will democratized versions ever exist, or will AI remain a secret weapon for the few? Despite these concerns, the AI demonstrates how technology can dramatically shift the landscape of wealth creation. The AI that predicts billion-dollar startups is more than a tool. It's a glimpse into a world where technology can anticipate success, not just react to it. For investors, it provides a first-mover advantage, turning insight into opportunity. For entrepreneurs, it's a guide to scaling smartly and efficiently. And for the rest of us, it's a reminder that in the age of AI, spotting the next financial giant may no longer be about luck. It may be about having the right algorithm on your side. The question is, will you wait for opportunities to emerge, or will you start using AI insights to position yourself ahead of the curve? Because in the near future, the startups that create billions may not just be lucky, they may be chosen by AI